Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can disable your startup applications / programs that automatically start up when your PC boots up. Now if I go over here more, as you can see, I've got NZXT Cam, NVIDIA Control Panel. There's a few applications that start up automatically with Windows. Now in order to disable them, you first want to go to your Task Manager. Once you're in Task Manager, from here you want to press on this button, which is going to be startup apps. Once you press on this, as you can see, Messenger is a startup app for some reason. We want to disable that. We've got NZXT Cam as well and a few others. So most of mine are disabled, and as you can see, my BIOS boot up time is about 8 seconds, so it takes 8 seconds for my PC to be up and running. So yeah, if you're using, I don't think disabling NZXT Cam is going to make a difference or not, but if you do have a long boot up time, for example, if it takes you like 10 to 20 seconds, you might try disabling some. As you can see, there are startup impacts over here as well, which determine how much impact there is, so that could help you on what's affecting your startup to be slow or fast. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.